What's up, guys? So, went to the Junkyard this morning trying to find the taillight pieces I need for my E36. Didn't happen, so we'll find them somewhere else. But B-Hall's here on his lunch break. What's up, B-Hall?
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing.
Nothing else.
Just, you know,
Usual.
ate some lunch, had some chicken parm, some penne alla vodka.
Smoke some. DrewTube is official. It's Friday. DrewTube's officially here. He's done with classes for the week, and he brought the new whip. Can you guys guess what the new whip is? Take like 3 seconds. DrewTube, prop up. DrewTube's new daily.
Nissan. You gonna say hard body? Hard body. I couldn't tell you were pointing at me. Dude, you're the head.
It's nothing.
Hell yeah! First mod, windshield washer, liquor dispenser.
All right, DrewTube, tell us what's going on with this. What year? What is it? What does it have?
96. That's my birth year. That's why I got it. No, totally not why I got it. But rust free from Florida. Swears there's 40K on it. Who knows? Junkyard motor, new starter, clutch. Look at the frame. Show 'em, Brian. I just broke the clip. Look, we gotta put this back. Hold on. This is the main reason you put this back.
This frame is 3-inch body lift.
Yeah.
This thing's massive. Look at
So
this.
for all of you that don't have snow in your areas and they don't use salt on the road, our trucks over here in Connecticut rot out very quickly. So this is from Florida where it doesn't snow and they don't use salt on the road, so it doesn't have rot. Therefore, hopefully, I won't get rid of this in 2 or 3 weeks like normal, and I'll have a nice, bitchin', reliable daily.
So we're gonna break this bitch in today by doing a dump run. We got a lot of trash, so we're gonna fill this thing up and see what it can handle. That filled up quick.
Yeah, very quickly.
Oh boy.
Too quickly. Oh my god.
If you guys either live by yourself or live with people, you realize how fast you actually accumulate trash. It's disgusting. So DJ, what's the good news?
I'm legit.
You're legit.
Legit. Those plates expired probably like in 2 days.
Nice.
And I registered the Silvia, so we good.
So Skyline and Silvia is officially road legal. It's that time of year, so get in there. Drew's next. Did you get the? Oh no, the 240 still legal. Sweet.
Yeah, no.
Hey, we're all legal, boy. All right, we've been doing trash for like 3 hours. We've been doing trash forever. Let's just dump these off and let's enjoy this nice weather.
Yeah, let's get to it.
You could do a kickflip first try, I'll give you $10.
10 bucks.
Really?
10 bucks.
With your shoe untied though. Thank you.
Ah! Dylan's always losing something. Look, we're always waiting.
What are you looking for?
I lost my keys.
All right, guys. So DJ has been putting in work on his Silvia. Last night he actually put a new door on. So his driver's side door, or his like left side door, as you guys know, the left side of his car was like side swiped, and he found another door. And this one's pretty fresh. So it has like hella surface scratches, but it's like super straight. And I mean, it's a lot better condition than the other one. Looks mint on camera.
Looks mint in person.
Psych! A funny story, the door DJ got for his car is actually off of Vert. And Vert doors are like, so Nissan 240SX Verts weren't actually made by Nissan, they were actually coupes that were taken from Nissan, and a third-party company actually cut them up and basically made them into Verts. It's pretty cool. And this door had you want to show them?
No.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure the Verts have like a B-pillar built into the door, and so there's a lot of support in that. So we had to cut the piss. I mean, like the piss out of this door, and we had to drill a few holes to make the door card snap in right, but it works. Looks like Drew has the LT out. So this is my buddy John's car. It's a 96 NA 300ZX 2+0. We're gonna be putting a steering wheel in it today. This thing's a dime. This thing has like 80,000 miles on it. It's stupid clean. But what's really cool, I didn't know this about 96s are like the last year of the Z, and they're slightly different. They converted them to OBD2 and they changed a few things, so they're kind of weird. But I didn't know they actually had different seatbelts. Like all the other Z's, the seatbelt is actually like on the door. It's really annoying. Comes out of here and it bolts to here. I hate it so much. 96s are actually in like a normal location. I really wonder if the seatbelt mount is underneath the B pillar on these cars, because sometimes cars do that. Because I would love to convert to 96 like seatbelt styles, because look how much cleaner that is. See how ugly that is? I hate this so much.
3 hits.
What's he up to?
Kind of scary. It's nothing.
It's nothing. What do you think about this?
Too much throttle hand.
Oh, we got it!
Drew, what is it? The motor?
5.0.
It's pathetic how out of breath I am for that. Hey DJ,
What's up?
wanna drive this D? Yeah. Okay. Fucking Dudley.
Dave, you never disappoint. I gotta move this joint forward quite a bit.
Alright guys, for you guys that haven't been around for like the LSZ swap and stuff like that, I honestly have never got the car tuned afterwards. It runs fine, but honestly, there's a lot of missing horsepower there that I cannot wait to tune out this spring. It's like on the top of my list. I really want to try and tackle that car myself and really get into tuning. A V8 is probably one of the best cars to start tuning on, because it's really hard to really fuck it up. So I'm excited. It runs dome rich. It's still torquey, but of course we're missing some power, but she's there. I really want to start touching her a lot more this season. DJ is about to drive it. I think the only other person that's ever driven this is Admiral's D and my friend Jake. It's really weird watching your car roll. Oh, got a brake light out. Sick.
She drives nice.
Right?
Oh my god, that torque is like that. That is great.
Glittery.
I love how when you drift this thing, it literally just floats.
It floats, right?
It floats.
It floats. What is this guy doing?
Oh my god. This idiot. Now your stanky ass.
What the hell do you want, Donald?
What?
What do you want?
Look at my toe. Look at my toe.
What's wrong with it?
Is it straight?
I don't know.
Is it straight?
It looks straight to me.
Sweet.
Awesome. Oh, this toe.
That toe.
Oh, my. You gotta be more specific.
My bad.
What are you bitching about?
Stuff you wouldn't understand.
Wanna bring the Miata here on like Monday?
Maybe.
Check his fucking
I gotta check my schedule. It's been so long.
You guys,
I planned a lot of things.
are you guys ready for a turbo Miata? Oh, turbo Miata swap. Are you ready?
How is that a swap?
Are you ready to
not a
blow
swap.
your engine up?
I've been ready. I would do it now if you wanted.
Yes.
Go get it right now. Let's do it.
Hey guys, we're gonna start it now. How long do you think it takes until we blow up RJ's Miata? Now, I'm not gonna say it's because we misinstalled the turbo kit. It's just because his motor has low oil pressure, which is like the worst thing to ever turbo.
Jake, how long do you think it'll last?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
If I tune it, 5 days. But I'm serious. How low is your oil pressure?
Why don't you like 15? Jimmy, why don't
Oh.
If that engine blows up, it's getting a K series.
Ninja.
Stop! No, we're not doing that.
Yes.
That's so much money.
That's so much. Wait, you got money like that?
Yeah, boy.
Watch this.
You got that K money. You got that K series, boy.
You heard?
Yard.
Credit card.
Bam!
Credit card.
That was gone.
Bam! 13,000. Bam! 3,300. Bam! Like 500.
Oh shit!
It's nothing. K series swap coming soon. I feel like Drew. Oh, we're going with this.
This dude is a what? Tunnel war! Kiss me!
I won.
Archie, you're a blind
I wanted to hug.
Give me that.
Hit the vape.
Whip it.
DJ, we've done nothing today.
I know.
It was nice out. We just enjoyed
I've been slacking so heavy lately.
Well, you have nothing to do.
Okay, so we can do since we kind of just been messing around all day. To do something that's like kind of serious, I've been wanting to do for a while to show you guys.
That you
Let's start over. So as you guys know, with my side skirts, I have this little lip right here. And essentially it just, makes your car look a bit lower. It gives you a nice little body load. These are pretty tucked up, so it kind of needs it. That I made like quickly as a joke one day using like garage door trim, and it looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad. I think it looks cheap though. So if you guys know Roberto from Legalizing, on his Z, check out his Instagram right here if you haven't. He actually has a nice like side splitter for it. And I asked him where he got it and he gave me the link. And actually you could buy universal side skirt like splitters off of eBay, of course.
Oh my
right here. So I put in the link, but these companies like constantly post them. These are just universal side skirt splitters. You could basically order them by the length, so you have to measure your car and find like the closest length for it. So I ordered 2 sets, one for the red Z, one for the black Z, just to keep it clean because I don't like this garage door lip. I still in Type 3 side skirts, and of course this is the eBay splitter lip. So as you can see, it's just a flat piece of plastic to basically make the car look more aggressive and more low, and it gives you nice mounting holes here. You basically mount it out as far as you want. Like some people like that crazy like dumb arrow splitter look. For me, I want to make it a little bit cleaner. So right here is the lip that it comes with. I'm probably gonna push it in to about here. That DJ?
Yeah, that's
nice and clean. So we're gonna take this off, screw it in, and go from there. Let's make sure this is even. That will drive me literally insane. Perfect.
Good?
Yes. Sick.
Nice work.
Like the little excess, or should I cut it?
I wouldn't cut it flush.
Let me know, guys. Let me know what you think.
Keep it.
You guys decide.
Keep it.
Because obviously it's gonna look weird without a front lip because it's just like the middle is just dumb low. I gotta get rear spats for it so we can bring the rear down, but that's not bad. So these are kind of expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. These were $85 shipped from eBay, which is like
Not that bad.
not horrendous. I've seen a lot of guys use a lot of things. Like I use the garage door molding. This was easy because it was a very square side skirt. It doesn't protrude. I've seen guys use like vinyl siding from a house, just flipping it and painting it. There's a lot of options. I'm not gonna lie, I ordered a set for the E36. I think it's gonna look absolutely killer, but I'm really pumped with this right now. Simple, clean, nice. I love it. It does so much for these things. There you go. More low for the low. I mean, I had to take them off anyway to paint them. I just really want to mock them up and they look amazing. I'm gonna throw them on the red Z eventually. I don't know. I gotta cut them because the 2+ is shorter, but I can't wait till the BMW ones come in. That's gonna look sick. I've been adjusting DJ's wheel fitment constantly for like 3 days until he's happy. So he wants to try and drive at home tonight. That's his end goal.
Are you sure?
It's going to be very nerve-wracking, but I kind of need an alignment really badly. So I'm going to hopefully do that tomorrow morning.
Well, I think DJ pushed out on driving the S13 home tonight.
I'm not going to rush it. Like, I have no reason to rush it. So I'm going to come here tomorrow, mess with the fitment a little better because it's not matching. Got to roll the fender still. Got to mess with the camber, blah, blah, blah. So tomorrow's another day. Remember that.
The content has been slow lately, and I've been like really upset about it. I apologize, guys. I apologize a lot, but whatever. If I don't go home tonight and my valve springs are not on my counter, little side skirt extensions. I put one on, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It does so much for the car, guys. It does so much, but that's it. Is there anything else? I feel like I wanted to say something else. Still can't find the freaking bulb sockets for their taillights on the E36. That sucks. I spent so long trying to get this thing ready, but I think I'm just gonna suck it up and drive like an hour and a half tomorrow and go pick up a set. I don't know. Whatever. Possible new addition to the shop tomorrow. If everything, hopefully things go smoothly. It's kind of like a crackhead deal. So.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you meant the other thing, but yeah, that'll work. It'll be good.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. I'm not saying what it is. I'm not gonna do it. No, so you guys better be prepared. If it doesn't happen, at least you'll see what it is tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, even though we didn't really do anything. But you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications if you guys are still watching this. Because for some reason, no one. I get a lot of comments saying that they don't get the video pop up in their subscription notifications. Make sure to turn it on. I think it's on like the corner somewhere. But that's it. Have a good night.
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 Night.